This little device right here will turn your normal computer webcam, but let's switch this over to my iPhone. And it really was just actually a click of the button. Hey, interesting, not bad. This is a webcam from the Apple Studio display. And this is my Sony a7C, which obviously doesn't look the best, but is it easy enough to use your phone as a webcam? And is this a good replacement versus spending $4,000 for a camera like this? So what the heck is this, and let's unbox it. Simple enough here for the packaging. This is supposed to open up, and all you are supposed to do is pop out this here, place this on top. It's a Magsafe mount. So you pop it in, and you can also use it as a phone holder if you want to, which is pretty cool. But in this case, this should just go right on top of your laptop. So let's give it a shot. You should be able to just slop this on top of your laptop. I think it goes behind. Yeah, definitely goes behind. That's MagSafe. So then that goes here, and then you can censor this. Cool. I have it on there. Let's try this out again. So this is back over to the webcam, but let's switch this over to my iPhone. And it really was just actually a click of the button. Hey, interesting, not bad. The color is deeper. I think I need to straighten this just a little bit more, and I can rotate it. Okay, there's a little bit of depth of field too, which is nice. And I do have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but regular webcam, oh yeah, there's no color in here. There's no depth of field. It looks very blown out. Switching to the iPhone, yeah, wow. If this is all you got, so this is how easy it is to switch. All I do is click this thing in here. I can go from my FaceTime camera, which is this here. You'll see it looks very washed out, not a lot of depth in the back, and the window is overexposed. There's just not a lot of color there, right? Let's go back over to the studio display. And so this one is different. Let me angle this down. It is a different angle, I understand, but I would prefer this over my MacBook one. And the last one, let's go ahead and switch over again. I didn't do anything. I just put my iPhone on top and it automatically worked. Now I do have MacBook Pro. This is way better. Like as I go closer, oh, look at the depth of field. And then zoom. Is that natural? Not natural, but you can correct your skin a little bit and look like I have less wrinkles than it appears, but totally worth it. So let's go here. Now my camera, is this better or not? It's a different look. This is brighter. I could probably adjust the settings on the camera. I have a better lens. There's more blur in the background. Again, it's not the same angle, so it's not a perfect test. I know that, but we're not having to buy a $3,000 camera like the Sony a7C with the lens. This is a solid option. How does my hand look? The focus is now on my hands and not on my face. I think this one does do best if you are at like arm's distance here, because now it looks like I'm sharper. It's a good video. If you had to podcast and you didn't want to spend money, this is the way to go, 100%. So let me go back to my camera. That's my preferred set. Let me just show you this one more time. Clearly washed out, not a lot of color variation, but it works. This iPhone, it's a solid option. I just pressed record and that was it. Solid. Super solid. As I edit this, there's actually a quick bonus tip. I didn't realize that you can pick it up and now you have a selfie mode camera that's going on zoom. Look at it, it's on zoom right now. It's going on zoom however you want. However you want. Look at this. Now you can see on my computer, that's my setup with the light. So now you have your point of view all on zoom. That solid. All in all, this device here, dude, that's it. It's so small, so easy to use. You can slide this into your bag. It would take up zero space. It's not a bag looking thing to also just have this extra carrier in case you wanted to videotape something, or maybe even use it as a, that's a pro tip right here. Again, let me just show you my new discovery, and I don't want to move this camera. All right, the other reason to buy it, this also works as a phone stand. So if you want to watch a video and you want to just have it sideways, boom. It stays, and now it pops up. You cannot move it more downwards, and that doesn't work. So it only stays in the middle, and vertical video, nah. It'd be hard. I guess you could scroll if you were to do that, but the horizontal video is the win for me. Obviously, you can't use a case with it, so that's a drawback. But if you're looking to replace your webcam and you have a Mac and you have an iPhone, this is 100% the easiest plug and play hack ever. I would 100% recommend this. I will drop the link below in the description to this Tikoks mount. It's like $15, super easy. I think it's a really practical thing. And if you're invited to a podcast or just want to level up your video calls without spending a fortune, that's the way to do it. Again, my name is Josh Baldovino. I'm a real estate investor and a marketer, and I'm here to just help you make better content, or in this case, have better webcam calls. If you found value to this, make sure to subscribe. Again, click the link down below if you want to get these for yourself, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.